Hello everyone, this is Kira from Ningbo Baichen Medical Company. We are the specialized of making electrical wheelchair. Today, welcome to our unboxing video. I will introduce you our electrical wheelchair, which is one of our best sellers. It is named ES6003. I will show you how to assemble them and how to use them. As you know, nowadays, because of its convenience, the electrical wheelchair become more and more popular. No matter you are interested about it or want to use it, or send it to your family or friends, both okay. Let's show you how to use it. Let's start it. Now let's see, this is all the parts that when you receive the package, you can take them from the carton. Let me introduce you one by one. Come here. You can see this is the frame of electrical wheelchair, and now let's see it. This is backrest that will put on the electrical wheelchair. This is the case of electrical wheelchair. This is the two pedals of electrical wheelchair. And it is also an important part of electrical wheelchair. It's this side battery. Now let's see it. This is the charger of electrical wheelchair. You should use it to charge the battery when you use the electrical wheelchair. And another one, this is very important. It is the user manual. When you receive the electrical wheelchair, you should know how to use it, but it will be helpful to you. Okay, I believe that you have now set all the parts you will see in the carton. Let's assemble them to become an electrical wheelchair. Let's start it. Firstly, let's assemble the joystick. You can put them in this hole. Take them in, and you can arrange it. Okay. Now put your hands on the back arms. Turn them straight. Yeah, and then turn on the wheelchair. Open it. You can take it on this part. It will be more stable. You can take on the plastic pedal and turn it on. Then you can take this part and it's very easy to put it on. You just need to take this plastic into the tube. It can be smoothly move into the frame. Take another one. It's very easy to take it in. Now put them straight. It is carbon steel. It's very stable. Now this is we have finished the assemblement. Let me show you how to use the electrical wheelchair. Okay, now let me tell you how to use the electrical wheelchair. Come here. Firstly, let's open this buckle and get up the arms. Now I can sit here. Wow, I like it. It's so comfortable. Now don't forget to put the arms back and turn off the buckle. Wow, they still have a backrest. Yeah, maybe I can put my phone here. It's great. When you begin to drive the electrical wheelchair, don't forget to put on the seat belt. It can change the size. I like tight. Okay. Actually, this wheelchair can also reclining. Let me show you. You put your hands on this stick. Then I can reclining for 180 degrees. Yeah, put it in front. Then you can on them to sleep. Then, if you want to get up, you can put the stick again, put it a hand, and then it can get up smoothly. And don't forget to put it front. Now let me tell you how to use the joystick. Now let's see how to use the joystick. Firstly, this is the light of power. You can see if the electrical wheelchair is turned on or turned off. This is the power button, and this is the hold button, and this is the light. This is the light gauge, and this is the button of speed decretion, and this is the button of speed increase. And this is the stick. You can use it to turn right, turn left, turn right, go ahead and go back. Okay. Okay, let's see to drive it. It's go ahead. You put then go right. You can also use the stick smoothly when you want to get any directions. It's very smooth. Would you like it? Anyway, I like it very much. It's very speed. It's very quick and smooth. Anyway, I want to show you one more thing. To ensure your safety, this electrical wheelchair also have a brake. You can see this. This stick is a brake. You can put it back. It will stick the wheel. And another side also have the brake. You can put it ahead. Can put it behind, and then the wheel is stick. Now let's see. You couldn't move it, right? It's very safe. Okay. Now let me tell you how to change the electrical model to manual model. You just need to pull out the red button and turn it back. And also this side you can pull out the red buckle and turn it around. Then you can use the manual type to use the electrical wheelchair. It's very smooth. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you think it is useful or helpful or informative, you can don't forget to subscribe my channel and please liking and comment on the below. Thank you for your time again. See you next time. Bye bye.